So you must be wondering how to get the Halloween update early in Minecraft, because no one has time to play Minecraft while they're getting candy from a mysterious white van. So I'm going to tell you how you can get and play the new Halloween update. Open settings on your computer, press language and time, and then press date and time. Then make sure set time automatically is off, and then press on set the time and date manually. Press on change, and then there should be a little blue box appear, and then select October 31st. Then your computer thinks it's Halloween. Open up your Minecraft launcher, press play, and choose your version of choice. And then on your home screen, it should say subscribe to BBrothers. Oh Spooky. And select single player and create your world. You could do anything to the settings, it doesn't matter. Once your world loads, walk or fly around your world and try to find the mobs. It has to be nighttime or you have to go in caves to find the special Halloween mobs. The special Halloween mobs that you're looking for are the jack-o'-lantern zombie and the pumpkin zombie, the skeleton pumpkin, and the jack-o'-lantern skeleton. And just play normally and have some fun.